how to remove the green screen quickly and how to do it professionally. To remove the green screen, we are moving background here, perfect, and our dancing man on top, perfect. I'm going to cut, and here we are going to remove it. We are gonna go on remove background. I'm gonna select Chroma Key, color picker. I'm gonna pick the color to remove, which is green in this case. You can see that around here is not very polished, so I'm gonna push a bit, slightly bit the intensity. I want to feather edge a bit more. You can always try, you don't want to make it too evident, so here I'm gonna do like this, clean it up a bit, feather it, and see if you want the shadow. Maybe not in this case. Let's make it slightly bigger, put it at the center here. Actually, let's make it a bit smaller. Yeah, perfect. Let's put it here. Let's see how it is. Looks pretty clean to me. Very nice, perfect. Then let's see, we can try another color. It's not only just with the green screen. I'm gonna show you the Google logo. Let's add the Google logo here. Chroma key once again. I'm gonna select the white in this case, perfect. Let's put a bit more intensity, feather edge a bit. Perfect, like this. I'm gonna make it smaller. I mean, it doesn't look amazing now, but because it's the preview of the image, then when it's saved, it's gonna be much better. And I wanna put subscribe, so I have this, another one of this here. So you got the subscribe button. I'm gonna cut at this point, perfect. Use green screen again. I'm gonna select when you got the whole white around, perfect. Background remove. Once again, we click on the green, a bit more intensity, slightly feather edge. Let's add the subscribe button here in the middle. Job done. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.